Every day, thousands of job seekers receive offers that look completely genuine. But sometimes, one small detail can mean the difference between a career opportunity and a costly scam.
A genuine offer comes from an official company domain, includes complete employment details, and never asks candidates to pay before they're hired. A fake offer often demands payment, creates urgency, and uses suspicious contact details. These are the warning signs HireWise is designed to detect.
The problem is growing rapidly. Reported job scam losses have more than tripled in recent years, with over $220 million lost in just the first half of 2024. This is the problem HireWise was built to solve.
HireWise is designed with simplicity in mind. Users can paste any job offer, recruitment email, or hiring message into the application and receive an AI-powered risk assessment within seconds. The system processes multiple indicators simultaneously, examining language patterns, sender details, and common scam characteristics before generating the final assessment. The analysis identifies this offer as high risk. Along with the confidence score, HireWise summarizes the findings and highlights key warning signs such as payment requests, urgency, and suspicious communication patterns. To help users make informed decisions, HireWise also provides an AI-generated explanation and a professional verification message that can be copied and sent directly to the recruiter. Now let's compare it with a legitimate offer. This time, HireWise detects no significant warning signs, assigns a safe verdict, and provides a clear explanation supporting its decision. This demonstrates that the system doesn't simply flag every offer, it evaluates each one based on the evidence. As job scams continue to evolve, so should the tools we use to fight them. HireWise combines artificial intelligence with practical scam detection to help users verify opportunities with confidence. Because every career deserves a genuine opportunity, not a scam. Thank you.